Bitcoin. Morning of August 8th, Saturday. So let's figure out what might happen. Not what has already happened. Based on what has happened, we will look at what will happen. So look, we need to divide the chart into two movements. The previous one, in this case downward, and the current upward one. The time frame doesn't matter. We are currently on the M15 time frame. Now, what do we need to do? We need to connect every high and low. I have magnet mode turned on, so it's gonna lag a little bit. Meaning I'll be slow. I'll be plotting these highs and lows slowly. Like this. What the dare? Like this. Here we have the previous downward trend movement. Traditionally, I make it yellow, and traditionally a bit thicker, since it's the main one. We format the chart in such a way that we have two movements, and the second movement, the current one, should be of a lower time frame. Now let's look further. We divide this movement into the same substructures. Up, down. I'm building this. For me, this is already kind of traditional, so I won't dwell on these movements. I'll show the next one, this one, and this movement, and the next upward one. There, that's enough. So we have broken down two movements into elements. Each movement consists of substructures. This is the downward trend movement. 1. Movement in the direction of the main trend. Correction, movement in the direction of the main trend. Correction, movement in the direction of the main trend. And it's exactly the same here. Let's mark the most important levels for the entire price range we were talking about. This level here. This is the beginning of the previous movement. This is the end of the previous movement. The marks are 62,252, 66,916. Great. That's clear to us. Now, let's mark everything else with thinner levels. Local targets. We just marked the beginning of the movement and the end of the movement as the main targets for a possible drop or a possible rise. Let's mark this level here as well. Look, not a single high, 65,391, 65,749, 66,916 has been broken. It's important, very important. Now, here is the low. This low was practically at the previous one. This is the low we are interested in. Just like that, 64,112. So we have a price range here. A breakout of one of these levels will indicate the price movement scenario for us. That is, if there is a breakout of 64,112, we will see a breakdown of the current uptrend. If there is a breakout of the 65,391 level, that will be a breakdown of the previous trend. Just like that, two target levels, two conditions for trend trading. Let's mark one more. This level is important for us as it's for the weekend. Usually, market participant activity drops, and we see accumulation forming. 1, 2, 3, and here's 4. So, in fact, we are currently getting accumulation for the weekend. We don't have the trend condition met. Wait, don't look there. Here we have a section where we will work on a breakout of the price range. Which one? Well, from this high to this low. We have a price range where there is no trend, where accumulation is happening. 64,494 to 65,391. Which way will they break out? It's unknown. Accumulation is always a balance of positions, a balance of volumes. Therefore, we are preparing for a breakout, and the breakout could be aggressive to the nearest targets, just as I showed. Or they might go in the desired direction later with a consolidation. This will be a very serious signal when a trend forms after a broken level, or after a broken range. Is it? More information on the website. Pay attention, this is the Symbiosis website, as well as Telegram and TradingView. Use it. The link is in the profile bio.